Is the stock market gambling? Many Muslims stay away from investing because they think it's haram. They think it's just a casino for men in suits. But today, I'm going to tell you the truth. Buying a stock is not betting. It is buying ownership. When you buy a share of Apple or Tesla, you become a business partner. And business is halal. But there is a catch. Not every company is safe for you. You cannot be a partner in a company that sells alcohol, pork, gambling, or deals heavily in riba, interest. So, how do you find the halal ones? You need to use the Halal Screening Process. Step 1. Business activity. Is the product halal? If they sell beer or banking services, stay away. Step 2. Financial ratios. Even halal companies have debt, but if their interest-bearing debt is too high, usually over 33%, it becomes non-compliant. And finally, there is purification. If a small part of their income comes from doubtful sources, you must donate that percentage to charity to clean your earnings. It's like washing fruit before you eat it. Don't let fear keep you poor. The stock market is the most powerful tool to build wealth, if you do it the halal way. Stop gambling. Start investing. Build smart. Build halal. Please subscribe to the Ex-Banker's Guide.